Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through on how to turn off Snapchat autosave. So for you to do that, you have to tap on your Bitmoji or your Snapchat profile icon. Once you tap, you're going to tap on the gear button, then you scroll down to find memories. Then you're going to tap, then you scroll down and tap on autosave my memories. So once you tap the particular part, you see two options. The first option you see on your camera on your main screen is don't autosave, while the other one is autosave to memory. So you're going to tap on don't autosave. So with this step, you'll be able to turn off autosave on your Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.